Welcome to my channel. Let's make a Quran stand. Using a mold by me noon. Mix resin slowly and add color. Using black paste by Gazelle Meraki. Clean the mold using paper tape. Adding resin mix with silver leaf. And black paste. Remove bubbles with torch. Fill the mold properly. Leave space for top coat. Now it's time to share your thoughts in comments. And let me know what you want to learn next. Press the like button if you like the video. Add resin for bookmark. We'll add vinyl after first layer. In this we will use Bismillah vinyl sticker. After 24 hours. Mix resin for top coat. Adding final layer. Spreading it properly and removing bubbles. Leaving it to dry for 2 days. Here is the final look. We'll meet in the next video, inshallah.